welcome back to my channel. Everyone, I know you clicked on this video because you're curious about the major updates for the iPhone 16. What changes are there? What updates can we expect? Will we see the same look? Will there be changes in processing and functions? What new features are coming? In this video, we'll be discussing all of that today. iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 6 Pro, and possibly 16 Pro Max. If we talk about the looks, they have remained quite similar, but we'll review the design later towards the end. First, let's check out the functions and processing because there are some major updates that are important to discuss. So, let's kick off. Well, iPhone users may be eager to know what new updates are coming in their plan at the moment. But I think, somewhere or the other, Android users may also be curious to know what kind of updates iPhone is going to come with. Because obviously, last year, S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max were pretty viral. So, obviously, Android users may also be curious to know what's going to happen with Apple this year. Well, that's for later. But let's take a look at all the models from iPhone 16 to iPhone Pro Max. So, let's check out iPhone 16 first. So let's start with the iPhone 16. We are going to see a 2-inch 60Hz OLED display. We also vertical cameras, which remind us of the older iPhones. If you remember, during the time of the iPhone 10, 11, and 12, we saw vertical cameras, and the same thing has been repeated in the iPhone 16. Also, we will see 6% increase in battery finally. Additionally, if we talk about it, we are going to see new AI features. And it is being said that this time the AI features will be a little bit different. I mean, previously, the AI features we used obviously required the internet. But Apple is going to introduce AI features that users can use without the internet, with the help of only their keyboard, which is an amazing thing. Apple is going to use its latest A18 chipset that would be obviously powerful, but something might surprise you, and that is, Apple has now just made a decision that now Apple will only use its A18 chip in iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, but in 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max Apple is going to use its A18 Pro chips. I mean, this will create a difference here in this series. Also, it is expected that iPhone 16 is going to launch in September, and seriously, I am waiting for it. In the iPhone 16 Plus, we will see a 3-inch 60Hz OLED display. The same vertical cameras will be there, and we will also get to see new AI features. These AI features will also be available in the iPhone 16 Plus, but here, there will be a 6% increase in battery life. This is a good step by Apple. This is what I think, but what do you all think? Do share in the comments. Additionally, in terms of color variety, we will get to see white, pink, black, and yellow, which are also available in the iPhone 16. iPhone 16 Pro is really impressive. The wait is almost over. So let's take a look at what we can expect from it. It will feature a 8-inch OLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate. On the side, you'll see a button that, for now, is being referred to by various names like pressure button, capture button, and others, according to what people think. In my opinion, it's more fitting to call it the side button. This button comes with some amazing features. Essentially, it doesn't actually press down, but it senses your finger. The sensors inside detect your finger, and based on that, it performs actions. When you press it lightly, it focuses, and when you press it hard, it takes a photo. If you hold it down, it switches modes between photo and video, or vice versa. By sliding it, you can zoom in and out, which I think is a really fantastic feature. Besides this,
in the iPhone 16 Pro, we will also see new AI features. For this, we will get a 5x optical zoom, a 48-megapixel camera along with a 12-megapixel camera. The action button, surprisingly, is making a comeback in the iPhone, and it will still work as expected. It has a dynamic island look, and the bezels have been made quite slim. I mean, obviously, when it launches, It will definitely attract users because slim bezels are something in a mobile that automatically grabs attention. Additionally, we have seen that Apple has boosted its charging speed and increased it to 40 watts. I mean, it's not that fast. But if we compare it to the previous 15 Pro Max, I think we can consider it fast by Apple's standards.
If we talk about the iPhone 16 Pro Max, first of all, let me take you to the display. Here, we are going to see a 9-inch 60 Hz OLED display, which obviously many people are claiming is too large. But I think this is a very good thing, and I believe we should look forward to this in the future. Besides that, there is a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and Apple claims that the 48-megapixel camera they are making is something you've never used before. So, if they are making such a claim even before its release, I think it's going to be something, very different from what Apple has done before. And maybe we are not even ready for it. The 16 Pro Max will come with 2 TB of storage and Apple's A18 Pro chipset. I am seriously waiting for this Pro chipset because it creates a unique excitement in my mind about what might be coming. Additionally, we will see a 5x optical zoom and a 12MP camera, as well as a 48MP camera. Face recognition will also be available in 16 Pro Max. If we talk about the colors of the 16 Pro Max, it will be available in rose gold, desert gold, and titanium. I think these colors are going to be very beautiful. If you liked today's video, please share your opinion in the comments about what you think of Apple's new launches and updates. If you want to hear my opinion, I am personally very excited about some of the updates and eagerly waiting to see these things with my own eyes. I can't wait to hold the iPhone 16 Pro Max in my hands. What do you think? Which updates do you like? And which ones are you not happy with? Please express your views in the comments section. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy your life and stay happy.